kidney beans, green peas, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the kidney beans recipes. One of the most nutritious of the green peas recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make kidney beans, green peas, coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 150 grams of green peas soaked in water over 2 to 3 hours, 150 grams of kidney beans, 1 green chilli, 20 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Now put in the garlic and the shallots. Salt. Keep on sauteing. Mix thoroughly. Put in the ginger, salt, Now put in the tomato pieces. and garam masala, mixture spices. On salt. Now put in the ingredients and the green chili. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Green peas, mixing the green peas with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly mixing. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. and let the mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes within a pressure cooker or 45 minutes within the open pan. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 7 minutes if in the pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the kidney beans, green peas, coconut milk rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final kidney beans, green peas, coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the kidney bean recipes and one of the most nutritious of the green peas recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.